Hello friends, welcome back. In this chapter, we'll discuss architecture domains. The TOGAF 9 framework talks about 4 architecture domains, and these are accepted as a subset of the overall enterprise architecture that TOGAF can support. So here they are: business architecture domain, data architecture domain, application architecture domain, and technology architecture domain. Okay, let's take a closer look at each one of them. Okay, so the first one is business architecture domain. Okay, under this domain we discuss everything related to business. Let me tell you something, and you must be knowing it if you are working for any IT firm. We have two main areas from the IT perspective in every organization: business and IT, right? A business can be anything from retailing to banking to manufacturing. Let me take retailing as an example. Okay, see, retailing itself is a big concept or a general concept, but when it comes to, say, the business of Walmart, and as an architect, you are required to know everything about Walmart's business models, their processes, operations. Okay, so this is all under the business domain. Okay, obviously you have business analysts and business super users to help you to understand in case you have any difficulties or if you have any questions. Okay, the next one on the list is data architecture domain. It relates to the IT aspects of the architecture. So we talked about business and IT. This is related to IT. Okay, so here we talk about data, how to manage, store and keep data. Okay, so it could be physical data assets or logical data assets or logical data. So you may have to decide on servers, database servers, storage, databases, which database to use to store and process data. Okay, the third one on the list is the application architecture domain. This deals with customized or off-the-shelf products and applications that are being used by the organization, or they are planned to be used in the future. Okay, as well as their relationship with the organization's core business processes. The last one in the list is technology architecture, and this domain talks about the software and hardware capabilities that support the rest of the 3 domains that we have discussed just now. Okay, business, data and application. So here you can include servers, middlewares, communication devices, processing units, or any other type of IT infrastructure. Okay, because infrastructure is the basic need of any IT firm or any business for that matter. Okay, so these are the 4 domains. As an architect, you may not need to work with all of these domains in one go, nor do you have to master them all. However, you should be aware of how and where these domains are interconnected or how they are talking to each other. That much information you must have at very high level. Okay, so this is all about domains. In the next chapter, we'll discuss different TOGAF contents which we must understand before we get to the ADM, the main part of TOGAF, ADM. Okay, it is very important that you understand the contents and ADM in detail. Let me tell you one thing: this course will help you to clear both part 1 and part 2. Part 1 may not require you to know things in detail, in depth, but part 2 does. So I'll make sure you have enough information for both parts, part 1 and part 2. Okay. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next chapter.